In this video, just a few of the many features available in Windows that enhance functionality, productivity, and user experience on your computer. Windows plus dot. Windows key and period key. This keyboard shortcut opens the emoji picker. Once the emoji picker is open, you can browse and select emojis using your mouse or keyboard. You can also use the search bar to find specific emojis by typing keywords. To access the clipboard history, press the Windows key and the letter V key together. By pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus S simultaneously, you can quickly launch the Task Manager without needing to navigate through any menus or search for it in the Start menu. This shortcut works in both Windows 10 and Windows 11, providing a convenient way to access the Task Manager for managing processes, monitoring performance, and troubleshooting system issues. Press and hold the Alt key on your keyboard. While continuing to hold the Alt key, you can press the Tab key multiple times to cycle through the open applications. Each time you press Tab, the highlighted application in the preview will change. While holding the Alt key, press the Tab key once. This will bring up the Task Switcher interface, showing you a preview of open applications. Press the Windows key on your keyboard along with the D key. This combination will minimize all open windows and show the desktop. If the desktop is already visible, pressing Win plus D again will restore the previously open windows. Windows 11 introduces improved snap layouts, which allow you to quickly organize and maximize windows on your screen. When you drag a window to the edge of the screen, a layout grid will appear, showing various options for placing the window. You can select a layout to automatically resize and maxim. You can use the Windows key plus print screen key combination to capture a screenshot and automatically save it to the Screenshots folder in the Pictures directory. This keyboard shortcut saves the screenshot directly as a file, eliminating the need to paste and save it manually. Press the Windows key plus L on your keyboard simultaneously. This keyboard shortcut will immediately lock the screen, requiring you to enter your password or PIN to unlock it.